Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Evala and I'm Sumit. Today my topic is TEDx talk challenging moments we have. Starting the TEDx talk in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. This talk is about questioning old ideas and not being afraid to think differently. Abir had explained that society often follows follows rules without asking why. But real change comes when we challenge others. The talk encourages young people to speak up, believe in their ideas, create a better future by thinking in a new way. Thank you for watching my